Instead of dirty drinks, you're gonna get candy. That's a big size. Almost a big one.
Well, we have to do more walking. I didn't really record how long we have to walk. But we parked like basically 3 to 4 blocks away. There was so many cars here, and I guess this is a big event, first time here, and they say they do it every year. So I mean, so far we're getting closer and closer, and the closer we get, there's just more people and more people. Yeah, we're actually meeting up with a few friends, the ones that told me about this place here. And finally, we have reached our destination. But we noticed there's a long line to get in. Hopefully it doesn't take long to get in. And yeah, I mean, it seems like fun. The music's pretty loud. It looks like they have, I don't know if it's a DJ or something, but you can hear the music the closer you get. And yeah, it looks pretty fun. I mean, first time here, and they said they've been doing this for the past, I don't know, since they opened. So it's pretty cool. They actually closed the street. This is like a street mall. Well, it wasn't that bad to get in. I thought it was going to take even longer. But as you notice, there's a lot of people here. And actually, we're looking around for the rest of our friends that are here somewhere. They told us they're going to be in front of like a cigar bar that's here. So we're actually wiggling through the crowd. And I don't know what was harder, waiting in line or walking through the crowd. People start coming in around 6 in the afternoon. So we got there around, I think it was like 9:30. So I can just imagine, if you start drinking around 6, you're going to be pretty happy by the time midnight comes. Because they had a lot of little, those canopies with like little open bars that you have, you get liquor or beer. So everybody's pretty happy. So we decided to go ahead and start walking out. And as hard as it was to get into the crowd, it was hard getting back out. And I can't believe it was like 12 o'clock at night and people were still, the line was even longer. People were still coming in. So I think this stops like 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. So I guess they still had a few more hours to party.